let's get serious now. What's up? It's Katie Austin here, and welcome back to my channel. We're in the back to school phase. Some of you guys might be just getting to college. Even if you're not in a dorm room, you guys can obviously still do this workout. But I wanted to make this workout because I know it can be tough when you are stuck in 5 feet of space, you don't have any equipment, and you're intimidated by the college gym. For me personally, I'm like winded from dancing. For me personally, I always was looking to online workout videos when I was in college because I was an athlete for half my time. And then when I moved on from lacrosse, I really did not know what to do. Seriously, my entire life, I had a coach, I had someone tell me what to do, exactly what moves to do and what time to do them. So I was really lost. So that's why I really want to make more workouts for you college girls. Even though all my workouts you really guys can do no matter what age you are, if you're in college or not, I have 200 workout classes and counting on the Katie Austin app and on my program as well. So make sure you guys check that out if you like this video. But without further ado, we're gonna get into it because I fully believe that you guys can get a workout in just 10 minutes and in just 5 feet of space, only using body weight. So as you guys can see, I don't even have a mat with me. That's a-okay. There is a carpet right down below. We are gonna get on our booty. So if you guys have a carpet, that's great. Either a towel to lay down, but we're gonna get right into it. So I want you guys to spread your feet a little bit more than hip width apart. Inhale up and exhale. Great. 2 more big deep breaths. Inhale. And really let your shoulders go and really roll them out and stretch out your chest. Feel free to close your eyes for this next deep breath right here. Take your time with it. There's so much stress in college with school, relationships, friendships, trying to keep up with so much. So remember that this is your time. I'm so happy you guys decided to join me. So as you come out of that last breath, we're gonna drop it down low into a bodyweight squat and push off those heels. Great, inhale and exhale, just getting our blood moving. This is a full body workout, so we're hitting every major muscle group, from our legs, our thighs, our booty. Great, our abs, our arms a little bit as well. Really pushing off those heels, squeezing your glutes at the top. Nice work, you guys. And exhale. Keep breathing. Great, last 2. Last 1, we're gonna hold and pulse. Stay low. Have fun with it. So what you're doing at those frat parties. I'm just kidding. I was not a frat party girl since I was an athlete and I had a boyfriend all of college. Loser. But at the same time, I really didn't go to frat parties. I was not that into my sorority. I was a sorority girl, but I joined too late and I just felt like it was exclusive. So if you also feel that way, you're not alone. Sororities are not the end all be all, let me tell you. All right, you're gonna come up from a squat and give me a crunch. Great. Squat to crunch. Inhale and exhale. I will say though, if you are just getting to college, or maybe you just want some more friends in college, you wanna go to a different group, what I love to do is I didn't do this till my senior year because I was too intimidated and I wish I did it earlier, is I would love to go to workout classes. And that's how I met some new people. Honestly, working out, even at the school gym, no matter where it is, and asking someone to go work out with you. It's a great bonding experience and get some movement at the same time. Last 2. Last 1, really drive that knee towards your chest. Great, hands right behind your head. We're gonna come down for a good morning. Here we go. Good morning. Really push through your heels and your hamstrings right here. Making sure your back is flat, your abs are in tight. Your knees are a little bit soft right here and bent. You're gonna come up, pull through your hamstrings, really focus and squeeze. Wonderful, good posture, hands behind your head. Scoot that booty back, but not too far back. Push through those heels. Great, you guys. I will talk as you guys continue to do these, but you're really only getting out of this as much as you're putting in. So making sure you're putting in a lot of effort right here, squeezing, focusing on your glutes. Last 1. And we're gonna go back to those crunches. Leave your hands right behind your head. Let's crunch it out. Exhale every time. Nice work. Keep breathing. Getting those obliques now. Breathe in and out. Getting a little bit of low impact cardio. There's no jumping in this because I know in a dorm room, you don't want to disturb your downstairs neighbors. So no jumping. Here we go. 5, 4, 3. Leave these hands up in 2 and 1. Just transfer these hands right in front of you. We have a prayer pulse right here, working a little bit of our arms. So what you're gonna do, your hips are tucked under, your feet are hip width apart, knees a little bit bent, pulse. Pulse. Again, you're only getting out of this as much as you're putting in. So making sure you're really squeezing tight. The tighter your forearms and your palms are together and you pulse, the more you're gonna work them. Here we go, press. Great, good posture. Try to relax those shoulders as much as you can. Keep breathing. This might not look like much, but if you're doing it with me, I know you feel it. As you guys can see, I'm already breaking a sweat. It's only been a few minutes. Here we go. 5, 4, we have arm circles in 3, and 2, and 1. Take your arms out, arm circles. Here we go, working a little bit of our arms right here. Great work. Even if at your school desk, or anything, just keep moving those arms. Tighten up your biceps. Wonderful, let's rotate in 5, 4. I actually like to add a little bounce to it. Have fun. For 2, and 1, take it back. Great. As you guys take it back, I really want you guys to focus on pulling your shoulder blades together. So it's also a nice back workout right here. We're floating those arms back and squeezing our back muscles together. Almost like a mix of a back fly with the arm circles. Wonderful. Open up the chest. For 5. I hope you guys feel this because I freaking do. 4, 3, 2, come right here. Do not let your arms down. I know you're feeling it right here. Take your feet a little bit more than hip width apart. We're crossing scissor crosses right here. Here we go. This is awesome cardio. Okay, here's the thing also that I just want to note. In college, I cared so much about what other people think. If I was to do this move at the gym, I'd be like, oh, I don't look cool. I need to look like I'm doing something harder. And I was an athlete. Who gives a frick what you look like? I'm serious. You're moving your body, you're having fun. I don't believe in not having fun when you work out. Why not have a smile on your face and do a move to burn calories and not care what you look like? We have 5, 4, get into it. For 3, for 2, for 1. Step right here. We're gonna reverse lunge and high knee drive. Here we go, getting right into it. And then we're gonna get on the mat or on the floor. There's no mat. Drive that knee up. Great work, you guys. 5, 4, power through, make them faster. 3, we're gonna hold that leg in 2 for leg lifts in 1. Hold right here and lift. Lift, beautiful. Straighten out that back leg. Tighten up that core. This bottom foot right here, the knee is a little bit bent. Focus on something not moving. We're actually getting our abs involved with this as well. For 5, 4, 3, almost there, 2, and 1. Other side right away. Here we go. Down, reverse lunge, drive that knee. The more you use your arms, the more calories you're gonna burn. So really pump your arms right here. It's all about using those arms and your lower abs to get that knee up there. Exhale every drive. Wonderful, almost there. 5, 4, 3, leg lifts in 2. Hold in 1, great. Hinge forward, pulse. My heart is racing. It's a great workout right here. Feel free, by the way, to repeat this 2 times through. One of my favorite things to add on to these workouts are ankle weights. If you guys have ankle weights, even for those arm circles that we were doing, put them around your wrists, your ankles. We have 3, 2, and 1. Oh my God. Let's come down onto the mat right here. So take your booty and sit. Catch your breath. I feel like that was a lot just now. Catch your breath, breathe in. And as you exhale, hands right behind your head, slowly lower down. Right here, we're gonna come into floating bicycles. But if you guys also need, you put your hands right behind you, just like that with your fingers facing towards your body. Feel free, but if you guys can, balancing right there through your core. Inhale and exhale, wonderful. This is great low impact cardio, also amazing for your abs. We have 5, 4, 3, don't let your feet touch the ground. Please hold right here in a nice boat pose position. Take your arms and flutter them, just like that. Beautiful. Inhale and exhale. Great. Shoulders down and back. Almost like you're pushing something down. Wonderful. Get those feet up there if you guys can. We have 10, 9, almost there. Push through. Great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plant your hands right behind you, just like that. We're gonna come up, maybe some tricep dips. We don't wanna neglect those triceps, all right? So pick your booty up off of, it's not really moving your booty up and down like that. We don't wanna thrust the air. We really actually are not moving anything else besides these forearms. We're not really putting movement in our booty. It's just elevating up and down from those triceps. Great. Inhale and exhale. Wonderful work, you guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna come around and I want you guys in a nice tabletop position. Breathe in and out. We have donkey kicks to pulses on each side. So donkey kick, bring that knee towards your chest and extend that leg. Again, this would be awesome with ankle weights. Inhale and exhale. I actually just uploaded an amazing leg toning workout. It's an amazing workout class to my program, if you guys wanna check it out. Basically, my program is an on-demand service, so basically I add a new workout weekly, every single day. I give you exactly what to do. Wonderful, we're gonna hold that leg at the top and pulse, pulse, great. Here we go, keep it up. You're doing amazing, we're almost there, I promise. For 3, for 2, switch right away in 1, back to that tabletop, other leg, donkey kick. Wonderful. Making sure you're squeezing through that glute. Catch your breath right here. Your hands are in line with your shoulders, your abs are in tight. We're gonna head to those pulses in 5. Keep breathing. 4. Using those lower abs too to really bring that knee to your chest. Last 2. Last 1, hold and pulse. Feel that burn. I was gonna say booty burn, but I said burn. Feel that booty burn. Here we go. Squeeze extra tight. We're almost there. Finish it strong. You're gonna feel so good afterwards. Be so proud of yourself. We have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to that tabletop position. Catch your breath for a sec. Cat-cow. I want 3 cat-cows. Feel free to close your eyes right here. Wonderful. We're gonna come into a plank whenever you're ready. So flatten out that back, catch your breath, and meet me in a nice high plank. We're in that high plank, and I want you guys to cross mountain climbers right here, slow. We're not full mountain climbers, we're right here, so really get our core. You got this. We're almost there, you guys, almost done. Woo! Stay with me, keep breathing, abs in tight, booty not too high, not too low. Strong upper body. Last move for 5, 4, stay in a high plank in 2, and 1, lower down in your triceps, and meet me in a nice cobra. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. Nice work, you guys. Come back, face me. We're gonna stretch out our legs a little bit right here. A little bit of a cool down, but also make sure you're taking the time to stretch afterwards as well. If you guys are studying, you're at your desk a lot, remember to stretch because our hips, our legs, our neck carry so much tension, especially if you're like typing like this all the time on your computer or on social media. What I want you guys to do is roll out your neck every once in a while. Take your hands, stretch out your forearms, your wrists, give them a nice stretch. Our wrists and our hips can carry so much tension in our neck. So take just like 5 minutes, 5 times a week to do what's right for your body. Also, get a foam roller. Foam rollers are great. A butterfly for a hot sec. Really big deep breath. And as you exhale, big deep breath. Hold it at the top and let it go. Any of that stress that you're going through right now, any tension that you're having, you keep thinking about something over and over again. I hope you feel a lot better right now. Maybe you feel a little bit more positive, you feel a little bit more energetic. This wasn't like, you know, super high intensity workout, so I want you guys to feel energized and feel so much better about yourself. Again, feel free to repeat this again, but I also have, like I said, over 200 workout classes on my program if you guys wanna check it out. So make sure to subscribe right here to my channel. And I'm super excited because if you guys are college students, I have more videos for those college students who want to eat healthy. Not only work out, but if you wanna eat healthy too. So subscribe to my channel so you guys do not miss it. Mwah, I love y'all.